everyone, welcome to my channel. In 2025. The US military unveiled one of its most ambitious and controversial advancements in autonomous defense technology, the Bullfrog AI Gun System. This cutting-edge AI-powered weapon is designed to counter the rapidly evolving threat of drone warfare, a domain where traditional defenses often fall short. The Bullfrog stands out not just for its firepower, but for its brain, an artificial intelligence system capable of identifying, tracking, and neutralizing multiple aerial threats in real time with minimal human input. The system resembles a sleek, turret-mounted gun platform, but what makes it revolutionary is its AI-driven targeting software. Using advanced computer vision, machine learning, and real-time decision-making algorithms, the Bullfrog can lock onto swarms of drones, distinguish friend from foe, and engage threats with pinpoint accuracy. It does this without requiring direct human control, allowing soldiers to focus on broader mission priorities while the system autonomously secures the skies above them. One of the core drivers behind the development of the Bullfrog system is the increasing use of cheap weaponized drones by state and non-state actors. From reconnaissance quadcopters to explosive-laden kamikaze drones, these threats are becoming more sophisticated and harder to intercept using conventional air defense tools. In response, the Bullfrog is designed to be compact, mobile, and easily deployable in both urban and remote combat zones. It can be mounted on vehicles, rooftops, or forward operating bases, where it serves as an automated sentinel capable of round-the-clock vigilance. The AI behind the Bullfrog has undergone rigorous training, having been fed thousands of hours of aerial threat footage and simulations. Its neural network has learned to analyze patterns of drone behavior, optimize engagement, timing, and even predict evasive maneuvers. It doesn't just react, it anticipates. This predictive capability allows the Bullfrog to neutralize drones before they become an imminent threat to personnel or infrastructure, while its primary function is drone defense. The Bullfrog is versatile. Its modular design supports different types of munitions, including low-velocity, projectiles, and directed energy weapons, allowing it to adapt to a wide range of threat environments. Furthermore, the system can be linked with other Bullfrog units and integrated into broader battlefield networks, creating a layered and intelligent defense grid that communicates in real time. Despite its advantages, the Bullfrog AI gun system has sparked ethical debates. Critics argue that placing lethal decision-making in the hands of machines raises serious concerns about accountability, rules of engagement, and the potential for malfunctions or misidentification. The U.S. Department of Defense has emphasized that human oversight remains a critical part of deployment, with the system programmed to seek human confirmation for high-risk targets. However, as autonomy improves, the line between man and machine in warfare continues to blur. The Bullfrog represents a paradigm shift in military defense strategy. It is not just a weapon, it's a symbol of the AI-driven future of warfare, intelligent and autonomous. As nations around the world race to develop similar technologies, 2025 will be remembered as the year when automated battlefield defense systems, like the Bullfrog, move from concept to combat-ready reality, forever changing how wars are fought and won.